Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accomplice. 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 Accomplice is a noun that refers to a person who knowingly helps another person, typically in committing a crime or wrongdoing. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the police arrested 2 burglars, and one of them revealed the identity of his accomplice. Why accomplice is used in example number 1. Accomplice is used to describe someone who participated in a criminal act alongside another person. The word highlights the person's involvement in the crime. Example number 2, she was accused of being an accomplice in the embezzlement scheme and faced legal consequences. Why accomplice is used in example number 2. Accomplice is used to indicate that the person was accused of knowingly assisting in the embezzlement scheme, emphasizing her role in the wrongdoing. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.